We have Sarah here. She is the owner of this ID Buzz. Ooh, sliding door life, I'm telling y'all. And yes, it's on bags. Oh, and look at the wheels. It got the palm trees. Oh, I love it. Is this a body kit or?
This is a body kit. This is Irmscher's body kit. So straight from Germany. Very well fitted. The attention to detail was great. It's a painted kit, so I had it painted, paint matched to the car.
What is the color of this orange? What is it called? Do you know?
Oh, I do know, and it's not coming to me right now. But this is factory orange.
Okay, so it's two-tone.
This is a factory two-tone, correct. Oh. So I did have the body kit paint matched. And then these are custom 24-inch three-piece. 24. Stock is 20. They're 24s. They're custom three-piece wheels, floating center caps. They always got to represent VW. Yeah. I did want a little nod to Palm Springs. That's where we're based out of. And then we have the chrome 2.5-inch lip. Yeah.
Beautiful.
Thank you.
My goodness.
And then we have a custom rack.
Yeah.
We're going to do some wood trim, but for right now, this is the custom rack.
Like the old school style.
Yes.
Huh?
It's
nice.
Very much a throwback to old SoCal vibe.
And you got palm trees here too.
We do have a little palm tree accent.
Oh, I love the trim here. Look at that color right there. With the stitching. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. All right, what else we got?
This is a first edition all-wheel drive. So it is the highest trim that you can get for the VW ID Buzz. Yeah. So it is on airbags, like you said.
Where's the tank?
The tank is here. It's mounted here for now. We will be building a display to showcase some audio components and the tank. But it lives here for now.
Very nice.
Yes.
I love this tray right here. For organization. Very cool. Very cool. I love these. Is this where the charge port is?
This is the charge port, yes.
Is it Tesla NACS or is it still the CCS?
It is with an adapter.
Okay, so it still has a CCS.
I have an adapter for it, yes.
And they can charge at Tesla superchargers then, right?
We can. There are pretty much it's most Tesla superchargers. I need my key to unlock it, but
that's okay.
Yeah.
That's okay. So these still have the sensors.
Correct.
The sensors, because I trust those sensors more. And Twerk Wagon.
Yes.
Love it. That's on Instagram.
Yes.
X what?
Just Instagram.
Just
Instagram.
Instagram. Y'all follow her up on Instagram. Twerk Wagon. Wagon full of twerking.
Yes.
Man. I love it. I love it.
Thank you.
This is neat. Thank you very much, Sarah.
Thank you.